Hello everyone, today we will be talking about assignment number 1 and especially how to download and install SAP software what we're going to be using for completion of our assignment. This is what we will be doing today. First we will be locating the file, downloading that and installing on our Windows machine. After that we will configure the server and launch the application. In order to start that, we'll be going to our PowerPoint presentation and copying this link here. When we copy this link, we go to our web browser, just and paste it easily here. Yep, and we hit enter. Okay, right now, as I mentioned before, we are talking about only Windows users. The Mac users will be handling next tutorial. To download files, you basically need to click on the file on top. We're gonna need this one, lightweight SAP GUI 730 C1. Just click with your left button and then click download. And here in the SAP name, password, you see I already have some information here. But in order to locate the necessary information, you go back to the slide. And you see it's here. Username is SAP and the password will be SAP GUI for me. This is your password. This is your username. Okay, awesome. Go back to the browser. When you enter those here, you click login and you proceed. The file will be downloading. Actually, it shouldn't take a lot of time. Depends on your speed of the internet, but I'm here in Concordia and we have really good speed. That's why we should be fine with that. The second file that we need to locate, if you go to your presentation and you go one slide more, it says here SAP login.ini, and the particular file that you have to click in, option is ucc.ini. What you go here, you see that's the file, you click on this and then you just click again on this option here. That's going to be zip folder, which also going to be downloaded to you, and that's it, what you have to download. Now you see we almost good with our file here, and as long as it's ready, we're gonna start installing the application. Okay, the file is downloaded. You can access either from here right away, or you can go to download folder, whatever you located, or any other location where you chosen in order to save the file. Okay, you click on this document and then of course you're gonna run it. It's going to take some time to run the application, but shouldn't really take so much time. Here what we're gonna have next, we will be installing the application and then extracting the server connection configuration file, the one which was in a zip file. Okay, right now the SAP application is launched and we just need to wait. Okay, here you proceed with the next, and this is really important. You have to click here to put this stick here and to have it green plus, and this item will be installed. Okay, when you have this one done, you just confirm with next and the application will start installing itself on your machine. Shouldn't take a lot of time. Actually, you see it works pretty fast. For people who basically have SSD drive on their machine, will be even faster than I have it here, but we can actually just wait now for a couple seconds. Okay, when this application will be installed, you guys need to go to download folder and locate the win sublogon file, which is it. Yep, this is the second file that we downloaded. We see meanwhile the application was successfully installed. We can close it. You don't launch the application before you handle configuration file. Okay, this is our configuration file. What you can do, you can basically open the file. Yep, it was right there. Exactly, sorry guys. We open the file, and what you can do, you can easily drag it from your WinZip folder to desktop. just to extract it. That's the easiest way to do that. Okay, the file is there. We just gonna use it later. Let it stay on our desktop. You close this application, then you go to your C drive, to your catalog for your C drive. You click there and you go to your directory. You have to locate a folder called Program Files 86. Double click on that, and then you have to locate a newly created SAP folder. Just double click on SAP folder, then you use front end folder, SAP GUI, and that's good. When you locate SAP GUI, you basically take this file and drag it. You need to move it to this folder. Okay, when this guy is here, it means we correctly located and we correctly put configuration file. You can close this. Right now you should have the icon on your desktop. You just double click to launch the software. Okay, this is the first screen that you guys gonna see when you initially launch the application. What you need to do, you need to locate the special server, and if I'm not mistaken, the name of this server will be Stockholm. Okay, this is exactly what we'll be doing. Go next, and we're looking for Stockholm, the one, and we double click on that. Awesome. This screen basically is a welcome screen in order to start working the application. Your professors will be providing you with the client, user, and the password for a particular user. I mean, every person, every student will have their own and unique username and the password. But for now, in order to be able to show you how you enter that, I have my own passwords. Basically, my client number will be 220. Copy paste it, go here, client, just put 220. Awesome. Then my user will be something like that. Go here, and I have my password. And then I hit enter. Oh, you see, something is wrong here. Now it works. Okay, awesome. Actually, it was a case-sensitive password, and I, do uppercase instead of lowercase. But that's okay. This is exactly how your SAP software should be looked like when it's properly installed, configured, and you have right password and a username. This is the starting point for completion your assignment, and you'll be given instructions about how to do your assignment later. But that's it. This is the end of our tutorial for today. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask your professor or your TA. Thank you, and have a great day, guys.